What's up, everybody? We're here today. Just want to intro a new build that we got. Just came into the shop. Wanted to get the footage on it before Artsim completely tears it apart because he jumped on it as soon as it came in the door. We got a Defender D90 here. Customer's going for kind of a beach cruiser look. The thing's not going to run a top. It'll be a cool opportunity to do kind of a unique cage on it. Maybe do an aluminum top. Keep it outdoorsy. Some all-weather seats, and he wants to actually do a teak floor in this thing that he bought a kit for. So that should get a little interesting. The old diesel that's in here, he's not a fan of that either. So that's going to be going away in lieu of like a 5.3. Probably do like an NV 4500 and made it to the factory transfer case. So all in all, be kind of a straightforward build, but should let us flex a little bit. We just have to tackle some rust issues before we get there. So to show you what we're talking about with the rust, we'll get over here, and I thought Artsim put the floorboard back in, which would have made it harder to show, but no, it doesn't bolt into anything anymore. So this is kind of typical what you find on these things. We got through one layer just to take a look at how bad it was, and yeah, for a rust-free Defender, this is the only spot it's bad, but it is really bad. So we are gonna order a set of foot boxes for it and go ahead and get these out of here. That'll be kind of the first step, because obviously to do the cage work, we need solid metal to put it to. So we'll get that handled, we'll do some cage stuff, and then we'll roll on to the motor. So stay tuned.
I just took off the front fender, or this whole wing section. This will help us to repair this rust in this corner, along with the other side. The driver's side has a lot of things mounted to this piece, so taking off the wing definitely helps to assess the whole situation more thoroughly. Along with the engine is going to come out anyways, so it just makes sense to take both fenders off, and now we have access to everything. If you look on the inside, these cars have bolt-in panels that go here, and the floor intersects those panels, so without the floor panels in there, there's a big open space, which gives us access to the frame as well, which will help us in our cage design to see everything from the top. So I have scanned the chassis so far with the dash in place and everything in place as well. This will give me a pretty good picture of where everything can land. And as things come off, I can rescan the sections and add them to the scan, so I can have the view of things underneath and over the top, so I can layer things together, and that will give us a nice finish with trimming panels and whatnot.
Oh. Now that the motor is out, we have ordered the floor pans. The old ones are cut out, and we prepped the chassis for the new ones. The car is scanned, so we have the mesh to design all the tubing in. Gary is working on ordering the LS and figuring out all of the little pieces that will come in here. And that's pretty much it. We're ready for the next video.